Let's be real for a second. Passing WGU Applied Algebra isn't about loving math, it's about unlocking progress. This one, OA, can be the difference between staying stuck and moving closer to your degree, your promotion, or your next job offer. At Western Governors University, Applied Algebra proves you can solve real problems, not memorize formulas. Today, we're going to break that down using exam-style practice questions, the fastest way to pass and move on. Let's get you through this. Question number 1. A company's employee handbook states that every new employee receives a welcome package on their first day. After that, they receive one additional training booklet each month. If an employee has received a total of 13 booklets after some time, how many months has the employee been with the company? A. 10 months, B. 11 months, C. 12 months, D. 13 months. Correct answer, C. 12 months. Explanation. The employee receives one booklet immediately when joining the company. This first booklet is separate from the monthly booklets received afterward. The total number of booklets is 13. Since one booklet was received on the first day, the remaining 12 booklets must have been received over time, one per month. Many people incorrectly assume that 13 booklets means 13 months. However, the first booklet was received before any month had passed. Therefore, the employee has been with the company for 12 months. Question number 2. A streaming service starts every new account with a welcome credit. After that, the account earns the same number of reward points every month. A customer currently has 2,500 reward points. The welcome credit was worth 500 points. Which statement best explains where the remaining points came from? A. They were earned over time through monthly rewards. B. They appeared automatically. C. They replaced the welcome credit. D. They were removed from the account. Correct answer, A. They were earned over time through monthly rewards. Explanation. The scenario clearly states that the customer started with a welcome credit of 500 points. Since the customer now has 2,500 points, there are 2,000 additional points beyond the initial amount. The only process described in the situation is earning reward points each month. Therefore, the additional points must have accumulated through the monthly reward system. The other choices either contradict the information given or describe events that are not mentioned in the scenario. Question number 3. A library tracks membership growth. At the beginning of the year, there were 300 members. Each month, new members joined at a steady rate. Which statement best describes this situation? A. Membership changes unpredictably. B. Membership increases by the same amount over time. C. Membership decreases every month. D. Membership remains unchanged. Correct answer, B. Membership increases by the same amount over time. Explanation. The key phrase is steady rate. A steady rate means that the same increase occurs repeatedly over equal periods of time. Because new members are joining consistently, the membership total grows in a predictable pattern. There is no evidence that the growth is random, decreasing, or remaining unchanged. When a quantity changes by equal amounts over equal periods, it follows a consistent growth pattern. Question number 4. A hotel chain gives every new customer a free night voucher. Customers then earn additional vouchers through future stays. A customer currently has 8 vouchers. One voucher was received when joining the program. How should the other 7 vouchers be interpreted? A. They were earned after joining. B. They replaced the original voucher. C. They were mistakes. D. They were removed from the account. Correct answer, A. They were earned after joining. Explanation. The customer began with 1 voucher. The total number of vouchers is now 8. Since the original voucher remains part of the total, the additional 7 vouchers must have come from later activity. The scenario specifically says that customers earn additional vouchers through future stays. Therefore, the extra vouchers represent rewards accumulated after enrollment. Question number 5. A publishing company starts every new author profile with a basic page. Additional pages are added whenever new books are released. An author's profile now contains 15 pages. Which statement is most reasonable? A. The author has released books since joining. B. The profile has never changed. C. Pages were removed over time. D. The profile contains only the original page. Correct answer, A. The author has released books since joining. Explanation: the profile started with only one page. Since it now contains 15 pages, additional pages must have been added. The scenario explains that new pages are created when books are released. Therefore, the increase in pages indicates that the author has published books after joining the platform. The other options conflict with the information provided. Passing the WGU Applied Algebra. OA means momentum. Momentum means faster graduation. Faster graduation means better career options, sooner. You don't need to relearn all of math. You need exact practice that matches the OA. Use CertBoosters practice questions to build confidence, master the patterns, and pass this exam without second-guessing yourself. Start now, pass it, move forward.